All right, I love this guy.
The following contest is a tag team tables, ladders, and chairs match. Introducing first, from Maine, weighing in at 250 pounds, the Nightmare!
You know, this person takes some pride in their work, but who could blame them? Few are as gifted in the ring as this performer.
Wow, you are laying it on thick, Saxton. Don't worry, I'm sure they'll hear you when they watch this match 10 times before bed tonight. A competitor who always has his game face on, ready for a major battle.
Are you guys ready?
And from Illinois, weighing in at 317 pounds, the Psycho Michaelmyers!
And guys, this looks to be a match with major implications here in WWE. Could change the entire landscape here.
He said he'll be making a statement in this match tonight and will deliver it emphatically. The Hurricane has made landfall.
And weighing in at 215 pounds, the Hurricane!
Not to be taken lightly.
Better be careful, Saxton. You might be mistaken for a supervillain. They could call you Chrome Dome.
What's up with that?
Does this guy really think he's a superhero?
Of course he does, Michael, but more importantly, the WWE Universe believes in him. And so do I.
Here comes the Clown Prince of WWE.
And from parts unknown, weighing in at 245 pounds, Doink the Clown!
Oh, Byron, look. He's wearing a twisted smile, and he's ready to play tricks on opponents or maybe even announcers.
Doink the Clown is so upsetting. Get him away from me. I think Doink should stop playing games and skip to the punchline. Get it?
Good one, Saxton. You should be proud of that.
Thanks, Corey.
Byron, you're in a anxious guy. So on a scale of 1 to 10, about how stressed out do you get during TLC matches?
Right now, I'd say I'm sitting comfortably at a 6.5. The more ladders that come into play, that number will probably rise. But that's the beauty of this match, isn't it? It pushes the superstars to their limit, and the audience right with them.
Getting him into the corner. Hits him with the counter.
Oh my gosh, what impact!
Between this stipulation and the number of competitors, things have a chance of getting out of hand. How do you manage to keep it within your control?
You don't. If TLC is the wave, you gotta ride it and be ready to adjust and improvise. You have all these foreign objects at your disposal, so use them and don't get locked into one strategy.
Re-entering the ring now. Oh, an elbow drop.
Knees right to the jaw.
Heads out, and he has all the time he wants. No, getting smacked in the head with a chair.
Soaring out of the ring, looking to do as much damage as possible.
Man, what a push.
Evading offense. Oh, clothesline.
Making their way up the ladder right now.
This is a nerve-wracking situation.
He's feeling the effects of that last hit. You never know. This could be it.
Taking a bit of a chance here, Cole, and not a very well-calculated one either.
Strong impact.
He's got a weapon now, and he knows how to use it.
Looking for something, anything under the ring.
That's playing fast and loose with your own body.
That is weaponizing your body. That's what that was. Handle slam.
Oh, propelling into the table.
He'll take things into the ring.
Carefully setting it up right in the center of the ring.
Oh, perfect placement.
And he's pulled the ring apron up, looking under there for something.
Just a few steps away from victory now.
I think it's gonna happen.
He's got to keep working to get this one.
Smart move here, Cole. Let's see if it pays off.
Look out. It's a long way down from up there.
Just don't look down.
Looking to unhook it here.
Here we go.
Looking super focused too, Cole. This may very well be it.
He gets it from high above the ring.
Oh, great.
From the top of the ladder with a punch.
So important to hit hard while up there, guys.
With everything you got. He'll need to hurry up if he wants to grab it and get the win.
Grabs it, and the ladder match is over.
Here are your winners.
An incredibly impressive showing by this tag team.
That's about as perfect an example of tag team wrestling you're ever likely to see.